Now question number 13. Please see the question from your textbook, page number 204. As observed, this is question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse. Suppose this is the lighthouse, maybe. The light is here, maybe we think this is lighthouse. The height of the lighthouse is 75 meter is given. From the top of the 75-meter lighthouse, from the sea level, suppose this is the sea, maybe this is the lighthouse, and the angles of depression of two ships. Suppose if you are see normally this is the normal line, and the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. Suppose one ship is here, another ship is here. They are going to given the condition also. Both the ships are on the same direction. One ship exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. Not on the opposite side, same side of the lighthouse. Either this side or this side. I am choosing this side. The angle of depression of the ship 1 and this is angle of depression of ship 2 is given for 30 degree and 45 degree. The longest ship is the lesser angle, that is 30 degree, and the nearest ship to the lighthouse, that is 45 degree is given, the angle of depression. Then find the distance between the two ships. What is the distance between the two ships? This is what that we are going to find out. So the distance between the two ships we want to find out. The lighthouse standing on the base is 90 degree and the distance from the base to the ship 1 is A and distance from the base of the lighthouse to ship 2 is we are going to consider B and the distance between both the ships, that is called A minus B, that we want to find out. So first we find A and B and subtract the distance of ship 2 from the distance of ship 1 from the base. That is your answer. That is the distance between the two ships. So here distance to place, that's what height is the common. Lighthouse is the common part. This is the first right triangle and another right triangle is involving. This is the second right triangle, that is ship number 1 preparing the right triangle. And this is angle of depression, that will becomes here for angle of elevation also because of alternate angle. And this 30 degree comes here for angle of elevation, that is also 30 degree because of alternate angle. That is the reason. This 45 will come here. Now with the help of the information we find the A value and B value and subtract. So from figure immediately you write from figure the full distance from here to here, that is called A, and distance from here to here, that is called B. This is A minus B. So from figure step number 1 we are going to choose the right triangle of depending the value A, that we given the name, that is A, B, C and D. So first we consider the right triangle ABD. In a right triangle ABD, so immediately that right triangle diagram also normal. So the diagram you can draw. This distance is A, this is 90 degree, this is 75 meter lighthouse and angle of depression, that is 30 degree. Here it comes for 30 degree also because of alternate angle. So height is there, you want to find A, so the letter we can put H, X and L. So this is the letter we choose A, this is B, this is B. In a right triangle ABD, height is given, we want to find A, so H and X involving is tan theta. Therefore H by X equal to tan theta, H is equal to 75 meter, X equal to A and tan 30 degree. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Gavanama the value Nidhanama Podano equal to 1 by root 3. So cross multiply, your answer A is equal to 75 root 3 meter. So distance of ship 1 from the base is 75 root 3 meter. And step number 2, that is in a right triangle. The right triangle name we can choose ABC. In a right triangle ABC. நீங்கள் எந்த letter போடுறீங்களோ அந்த letter diagram normal, height, shift 2, the distance. So this angle is given 45 degree. So this angle also 45 degree because of alternate angle. Height, that is ABC. Height is 75 meter. This distance from the base of the lighthouse and the ship 2 is B, that we mentioned. As usual, we mention the letter H, X and L. So height is the common for both the right triangles and we want to find B. Therefore H and B, that is H and X involving H by X equal to tan theta. H is equal to 75 meter common part. X instead of we want to find B and tan 45. Tan 45 degree value is 1. Therefore 75 by B equal to 1 cross multiply. B equal to 75 meter. Therefore distance of ship 2 from the base of the lighthouse is 75 meter. So distance between the ship, that is step number 3. That is distance between the ship 1 and ship 2. Ship 1 and ship 2 equal to A minus B. So A value equal to 75 root 3 meter minus B value is 75 meter. Common between them is 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Therefore distance between the two ships is 75 into root 3 minus 1. Suppose if they given root 3 value is 1.732 means 1.732 minus 1 is 0.732 into 75. You get the real distance between the ship. நம்மளால கடல்ல இறங்கி ரெண்டு ஷிப்புக்கும் நடுவுல எவ்வளவு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு டேப் வச்சு அளக்க முடியாது. ஆனா பேஸ் ஆஃப் த லைட் ஹவுஸ்ல இருந்து எவ்வளவு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு நம்மளால மெஷர் பண்ண முடியும். According to the angle of elevation, that is angle of depression. So distance between the two ships is 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. இந்த மாதிரி இமேஜினரி ஆன்சர் எல்லாம் நம்மளால கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகிறது தான் ட்ரிக்னாமெட்ரிக் வேல்யூஸ். வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சம். இந்த ஷிப்ஸ் ரெண்டும் ஆப்போசிட் சைடில் இருந்தால் அது நம்ம எக்ஸாம்பிள் 7. எக்ஸாம்பிள் 7ல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பிரிட்ஜுடைய ரெண்டு எண்டு கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, வித் ஆஃப் த ரிவர் அது மாதிரி கேட்டிருப்பாங்க. சப்போஸ் இந்த ரெண்டு ஷிப்பும் ஆப்போசிட் சைடில் இருந்தால் ரெண்டையும் ஏவும் பியும் நீங்கள் ஆட் பண்ணணும். வாட் இஸ் த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் த ஷிப்னா ஏவும் பியும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஒரே சைடில் இருந்தால் ஏ டிஸ்டன்ஸ்லேருந்து பி டிஸ்டன்ஸை மைனஸ் பண்ணணும்.